Good morning.
I'm hungry. My
Hey, bedhead.
starve at night. Yeah, mine too. I know.
Well, you fell asleep on the couch last night, Gracie June, watching TV.
You have to go fast.
Good morning. It is Saturday. We like to film on Saturdays, apparently. But we are on the way to Disney on Ice. Kason and Gracie June have their little glow-in-the-dark necklaces on. They're orange and blue. One of them was actually from last year, so it's not working as good. But yeah, we are heading to Disney on Ice. We also have, well, Chance and I have our red on.
Go dogs!
Go Dogs! Georgia Florida game is today, so we're super excited. When we get back, we're gonna be watching that and just kind of hanging out. We haven't been to Disney on Ice in a few years because we haven't been to Savannah.
Jason's chewing gum. That way he's full of mouth.
He's got gum in his mouth. But yeah, so we're excited about Disney on Ice. The kids don't even remember going the last time we went. I think it was either 2 years ago or 3 years ago. I can't remember, but
It was 3 years ago.
oh, was it?
Yeah.
So the last time we went, it's been a while, and so we're excited. They don't even know what to expect. But we've got
We just
stuff
Disney World
packed all in my bag. I got a blanket scarf just in case it gets cold, some snacks, all kind of little goodies, because if you haven't been to Disney on Ice, it's super expensive to buy anything there.
Candy bracelets. Even candy bracelets.
No, I didn't bring candy bracelets. Those are for Halloween. Oh. But we're in Chance's car also. If you didn't notice, it looks a little different. It's clean in here.
It's that hard.
Yeah, but the battery in my car is low apparently. Went and got serviced the other day and they told me my battery is functioning low, and then the next day, I've never had any problems, and then the next day, my car didn't start. So Chance, what'd you do? Tightened it back up or something? Tightened the battery thing back up?
Yeah, it was like a loose terminal.
So he tightened it back up, and then my car started back up, but then it keeps having issues now. So don't know what's going on there, but we gotta get that fixed. But anyways, yeah, so I'll show you guys some clips of Disney on Ice. It'll be a lot of fun. Are you excited? Ready? Are you excited?
Freezing!
Our shirts look maroon.
No bulldogs! Still bulldogs.
Say hey.
I'm hungry.
Kason.
I want popcorn.
Maybe let's see if I can get some popcorn.
How's everybody glide and pivot and glide and pivot.
Oh wow, okay, so they got good stuff in the back.
So what did you guys think of Disney on Ice?
Good.
Was it fun?
Awesome.
It was fun? Kason, what was your favorite part?
I don't know.
Which one? There was Toy Story.
Toy Story.
Toy Story was your favorite, Gracie June?
No, it wasn't.
What, Cars? There's Toy Story, Cars, Little Mermaid, and Frozen. Gracie June, what was your favorite? Frozen?
Frozen and Ariel.
Ariel too? Daddy, what was your favorite?
I like the cars, that was really cool. There were actual cars on the ice.
I think my favorite was probably Frozen just because they did a little bit better job with it.
Jeez, you're so, I mean, why are you so analytical?
But Ariel was good too. If it had been as long as Frozen, I think I would have liked Ariel
I think
best.
it was fun. Totally.
But it was fun. Then we went and ate at the Crystal Beer Parlor.
My favorite is the Cars.
The Cars.
Yeah.
We went and ate at the Crystal Beer Parlor.
You eaten there before?
No, that was my first time eating there. It was really good. And now we're headed
My first time eating there,
home. Are we
too.
stopping at Publix?
Yes.
We're stopping at Publix. We're gonna get some pumpkins because Chance wants to carve pumpkins tonight. The kids want to carve pumpkins tonight too. So we're gonna do that after we watch our football game. Oh, and we did get ice cream. Did you guys get ice cream from Dairy Queen?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Online, it's so crazy.
We made it home, sitting here watching the Georgia
Good
game.
tackle.
And we folded some laundry. And I'm working on some towels for my cousin's wedding. And the kids are playing with each other on their iPads.
Hello. Hi.
What are y'all playing?
We're playing Roblox. And Gracie grapple hooked me, and now.
And obviously I did not make up the bed this
I'm on a
morning.
magic carpet. See, there's Gracie back there. Yeah.
Cool.
Here's Gracie.
Also, I only have 9 towels left to do, but I have to go cut some more vinyl.
Daddy.
So that's pretty cool. They look really pretty. So my cousin is handing these out as favors. Oh, I can't get it to focus. There we go. So she's gonna hand these out as favors at her wedding. And they're pretty cool. It's just gold vinyl and a little marble tile. So the game is over. The dogs won. And Chance and I have decided we're not hungry. We're still full from lunch. And actually, Chance ate a couple pieces of pizza that we had left over from last night. So we're gonna feed the kids some corn dogs really quick. And then I think, are we gonna go on a ride?
Let's see.
We might go on a ride on the golf cart to go look at some of the Halloween lights in the neighborhood. There's one house that's really cool. They always do a Pirates of the Caribbean theme. And so we might go check that out. You gonna try to do it, Floss?
Can't do it. Okay, so how you do the floss again?
Too good.
I can't do it, man.
Too good. Also, our house is like kind of a mess. We have stuff everywhere, but I'm not even gonna worry about it. I am too tired to worry about cleaning, so we're just gonna relax and have fun together. All right, so I realized I didn't show you guys my outfit for today, and it's really cute. So I have on my Gap vest, and then I think my shirt, my pants, and my shoes, my little booties, are all from Old Navy. And then I have on my Millie Bee Designs little studs that she gave me, and then 2 of the bracelets that she gave me from Millie B Designs, and my Michael Kors watch, which I need a new battery, so I can't even tell time with it right now. But yeah, so that's my outfit. And I did post this on Instagram too, so go check me out over there. And I am using my new camera. I love it. Good catch. Good try, buddy. Or Gracie June.
All right, let's go. Real quick.
All right, we're gonna go on a little ride. Come on, Great Kason. Nope, Gracie June in the back, baby.
Well, we will when we get back. I'm getting
Got my blanket scarf on. Heading into the darkness. Yee!
Under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes low, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. Just a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know?
What are you doing? What are you doing? What's that? Your dirty cat?
You forgot the washer.
You better be careful.
No, we're not doing that. We're not doing that.
No. Somebody's gonna get hurt.
Stop.
Gracie, you're gonna hit your head on the table. Whew. Hot.
Let's go to football.
Alright. This is such a fun day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna put this up. Y'all, I did like no cleaning today. I didn't make up my bed. I didn't, well, I did unload the dishwasher and load it. But other than that, we did nothing. So, oh well. So our golf cart ride was kind of cut short because our golf cart, the battery keeps getting low. So we think we need to get a new battery, which stinks, but so we only got to see a few houses. Plus a lot of the houses that have Halloween decorations, their lights were not on, so we didn't get to see those. So they're back out here throwing the football. Good arm. Bad catch. Oh yeah.
Don't mess with it.
It's actually kind of cooling off here a little bit. Finally not 100 degrees outside. Tell him, boss lady. Grace June decided she wants to draw on her pumpkin. We decorated these last weekend with our small group. Let's see, we got this little pirate pumpkin. We've got this little pumpkin with the stickers. And then on the back we have that. So we got to make lots of faces. Does that one have a back? No. And then this one, and Gracie June put some of her stickers on the back.
Yeah.
Now she's doing this one. It has stickers all over it, and now she's drawing a face.
Whoa.
It's really cute, GJ. You like
I
it?
think I need green.
You need the green? Let's trade. But we have to be very careful.
Yeah, I don't want to get my jacket.
Get out of here. I'm kicking off.
So pretty.
The green actually better because...
Oh yeah, the green's way better, isn't it?
Oh, this makes better.
Are you doing eyelashes?
Mm-hmm.
So cute.
It's going to be cuter than ever.
I want eyelashes that long. Look at these cute boys out here playing football. Cooper, what you doing, buddy? You come and hang out?
I let him out.
You did?
Yeah.
Hey, bud. Hey. Alright, are you done yet?
Just need a little deep.
You need a little detail?
Yeah.
Run, Kason!
My legs are giving out on me.
Well, I feel like this vlog was kind of all over the place, and I didn't really get to chat with you guys and show you too much. I mean, I kind of took you along with me for the day, but I'm sorry if this one was kind of wonky or whatever, but I hope you guys enjoyed it anyways, and if you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.